I was making for wedding presents. They were looking really good. Dilemma. Got these boards all but ready. Should have just their final finish. I went and engraved the logos on these wedding presents. Wasn't really paying attention, and the laser cut way too deep for just an engraving. It's nearly, I don't know, nearly 1/8 of an inch deep. And I feel like that's just too deep. So, I feel like I need to fill them. I don't think I have enough black super glue. So I think I'm going to have to mix up some 5-minute epoxy with some black pigment. These were already finished sanded with 1 coat of finish. So hopefully I can get a nice level coat of epoxy in there, minimal sanding, and call these done. The 5-minute epoxy work. Kind of hard to tell the fill. The reflection and the charring from the original engraving makes it hard to see. I tried to leave it pretty level, just below the surface, hoping to have minimal sanding. Taking off the tape while it was still wet seems to work really well. A little light sanding probably, almost nothing though, and easily done.